Hey guys, it's Agio147 and I'm here with my brother.
Hello.
And today we are taking apart this old iPod.
It's rubbish now.
Yeah, it's rubbish.
It's
So,
garbage.
for the first thing that we're gonna try it with is this saw. It's pretty
They can barely
thick.
see it.
Okay, zoom it out a little bit.
Just put it down a little bit.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll be using this saw. We'll just edit that out. We'll be using this saw to try to pry the screen off. Okay, let me try. So if you look here, you can't really see that, but I opened it.
Tiny bit.
So now I gotta open it and stick this saw in, which is not an easy task.
Is it actually working? Didn't think the saw was gonna work.
Well, it did.
Tiny bit.
It did.
Can it in 5 seconds?
5 seconds?
5,
That's like nothing.
4, 3, 2, 1. I'll give you an extra 10. Or 15.
Popped it. I heard it pop.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it.
This one was the least likely to work, so I got it that much, guys.
Now there's a wood stick.
Now, the next thing, my brother will be doing this. And the next thing is here. So, come over here. Here you go, right here. Okay. Okay, you're good. Now he's gonna go. He's got 20 seconds.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, we're done. Okay. He's got it done. He's got it done.
That was the second
now
most
to
likely
remove
to work.
the battery. We thought that this was gonna work the best, but turns out even the saw worked better. So this is the battery, or no, this is the hard drive, I think. Yeah, this piece here is the battery. Zoom out a little. Okay guys, just taking this foam off. This is the hard drive here. There's a bunch of foam all over the hard drive, and this is crazy. Okay. And then there's like the motherboard, which I will be keeping.
Of course we'll keep the motherboard.
I think I'm gonna keep everything actually.
Except for the foam.
The what?
The foam.
Yeah, the foam we'll get rid of. And possibly this metal piece here, or plastic piece as it turns out. So yeah.
That's an old iPod. It's the first iPod.
It is?
Yeah.
I thought it was second generation. Okay, whatever.
Anyway.
Okay, so it's good that we didn't puncture this battery because it would blow up. So, okay,
Thank goodness.
okay, I need those scissors.
Got the wire?
Now I'm going to cut this orange wire here. 3, 2, wait, no, I'm gonna leave it connected to the motherboard. I'm gonna cut it off of the battery. Okay, 3, 2, 1, there, it's cut.
Yeah.
And
That's
then,
something like it was gonna blow up or something.
I want to puncture the battery. There. Now I got this whole wire off. Oh.
Wait, we should try piecing it together one more time.
No, I don't think we can now. So now, you're gonna give me a time limit to destroy the rest of it. How much do you say? 1 minute?
Doesn't seem too bad to me.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Start the minute.
1.
Okay, got this plastic
2,
off. got this plastic, this plastic. Oh, it's all sticky. Okay, I gotta disconnect this with my scissors. Okay, see, I got that. And,
You almost ready?
splitting this.
You have 30 seconds left.
Oh, look, that's so cool. Just shows like menu.
You have 20 seconds left.
Cut that off. Oh, here's the screen.
You've got 10 seconds left.
This is already on here, and I
5,
am done.
4.
I'm not gonna play with this battery here, so
Okay.
I don't want to blow myself up.
Good.
Wait. There we go. I got the battery out.
Wow. How long has this been? 6 minutes, 40 seconds?
Well, 6 minutes and 40 seconds is what it takes to destroy an iPod, and here's what's left of it. So we got the hard drive here, we got the motherboard here, we got the back to the iPod here, the battery right here. This was the buttons that you would click.
We thought we'd need the shovel.
Here you go.
The shovel.
Here we are with the screen. And this is the front. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Next time we will be destroying our remote control. See you later. See you.